I just got some information myself, man, because it was strange to me that every month he's going up for a bail hearing. And I know that seems strange to a lot of people.
Live, a judge has denied bail for Sean Diddy Combs. Of course, this was the hip-hop mogul's latest bid for freedom as he remains in federal jail for his racketeering and sex trafficking case.
A judge has denied bail for Diddy Combs, marking another setback in the hip-hop mogul's ongoing battle against federal racketeering and trafficking charges. The ruling has sent shockwaves through Hollywood and the entertainment world as Diddy, once a symbol of luxury, power, and influence, finds himself facing the collapse of his empire. At the center of this high-profile legal drama is Judge Aon Supermanen, known for his sharp legal mind and relentless approach. His decision to deny Diddy's third request for bail, despite an offer of a $50 million package, including house arrest in a luxury Manhattan apartment and 24/7 private security, underscores the severity of the case. Supermanen has been clear that Diddy's wealth and status won't shield him from accountability. In his ruling, he cited compelling evidence that Diddy poses a threat to the community, pointing to allegations of witness intimidation, as well as the infamous 2016 video of Diddy in a violent altercation with his former partner, Cassie Ventura. This video, according to the judge, serves as direct evidence of Diddy's propensity for violence. This ruling is a significant blow to Diddy's defense team, which includes some of the most prominent attorneys money can buy. With each failed attempt at bail, their options are narrowing. The case is growing more complicated, with prosecutors accusing Diddy of attempting to influence witnesses from behind bars. They allege that handwritten notes seized from Diddy's jail cell contain instructions to gather damaging information on his accusers. Though Diddy's legal team has argued that these notes are protected under attorney-client privilege, Judge Supermanen ruled they could be used as evidence, dealing a devastating blow to Diddy's defense. Meanwhile, the fallout from Diddy's arrest is only growing. Over 100 individuals are now represented by attorney Tony Buzbee, who has brought forth disturbing allegations of misconduct at Diddy's notorious parties. Buzbee has warned high-profile figures who attended these events that they could face lawsuits unless they settle out of court. This has led to a ripple effect in Hollywood, with many of Diddy's former associates distancing themselves from him, fearing they may be implicated. Diddy, once a larger-than-life figure, now finds himself in a stark, overcrowded cell in Brooklyn's Metropolitan Detention Center, facing the harsh realities of prison life. Reports suggest that he has lost weight and appears visibly aged, a far cry from the confident mogul who once commanded attention. Even in prison, his celebrity status has not gone unnoticed, with other inmates reportedly trying to get close to him, either out of curiosity or with their own agendas.
What his team is trying to do is get the public to assume that the government is leaking some of this negative information about him, like that Cassie video. But the reality is, he's got a lot of...
Outside the jail, the pressure is mounting. Diddy's legal team continues to fight for his release, but Judge Supermanen's refusal to grant bail has sent a clear message that no one, not even a powerful mogul like Diddy, is above the law. Meanwhile, new allegations continue to emerge. Prosecutors have painted a picture of Diddy using his influence to manipulate those around him, and the sheer number of accusers makes it increasingly difficult for his defense to make a convincing case. Adding fuel to the fire, the possibility of secret recordings capturing behind-the-scenes conversations about Diddy's parties has surfaced. These recordings, if they exist, could further implicate him and his associates, sending his legal team into overdrive to discredit any potential evidence. As Diddy's world continues to unravel, his business ventures are feeling the impact. Brand partnerships and collaborations are beginning to pull back, and his once thriving empire is now facing an uncertain future. Meanwhile, the media frenzy surrounding the case only intensifies, as more and more accusers come forward with chilling stories of abuse and intimidation. Even high-profile names like Jay-Z, Beyonce, and Jennifer Lopez have been dragged into the narrative, not because they are accused of wrongdoing, but because of their association with Diddy. At the heart of this case is a broader conversation about accountability in the entertainment industry. Diddy's downfall is shining a spotlight on the culture of impunity that has shielded powerful figures for years. As more victims come forward and more high-profile figures are implicated, this case may mark a turning point in how the justice system handles cases of abuse and misconduct. With the trial date looming, Diddy's legal team faces a difficult decision: pursue a plea deal and risk admitting guilt, or go to trial and face the possibility of a lifetime behind bars.
Today, just to tell the truth, so hopefully we can get down to the bottom of this. I'm 100%, the charges against me are 100% false, and hopefully due to time, we'll start to...
Legal experts are divided on the outcome, with many speculating that the prosecution has an overwhelming case. As Diddy fights for his freedom, the question remains: will his team pull off a miraculous comeback, or is this the beginning of the end for one of hip-hop's most iconic figures? As the world watches, this case continues to unfold, and the ripple effects could spread far beyond Diddy himself. The story is far from over, and its next chapter promises even more explosive revelations that could shake the foundations of Hollywood and the entertainment industry